We all know that the food we eat contains many different chemicals. But have you ever wondered why the FDA allows these chemicals in our food? To answer this question, we need to first understand what these chemicals are and why they are added to our food. Food additives are substances added to food to improve its color, flavor, texture, and shelf life. These additives can be natural or synthetic chemicals, and they are used in a variety of food products, including processed and packaged foods. Before a food additive can be used in the United States, it must be approved by the FDA. The FDA evaluates the safety of the additive based on scientific data, including studies on animals and humans. FDA spokesperson. The FDA's role is to ensure that food additives are safe for consumption and do not pose any health risks to the public. The FDA requires food manufacturers to list all ingredients on the label, including any additives used. This allows consumers to make informed choices about what they eat. However, some people are concerned that the FDA's standards for food additives may not be strict enough. Critics argue that the FDA's approval process may not take into account the long-term effects of exposure to certain chemicals. Food safety expert. While it is true that some food additives may have negative health effects, the FDA continuously reviews and monitors the safety of these additives to ensure that they are safe for consumption. So, while it is true that the food we eat contains many different chemicals, these chemicals are carefully evaluated and regulated by the FDA to ensure that they do not pose any health risks to the public. Are most chemicals in food not approved by FDA? No, most chemicals in food are approved by the FDA. The FDA has a rigorous approval process for food additives, and only those that are deemed safe for consumption are approved for use in food. However, it is important to note that the FDA continuously reviews and monitors the safety of these additives to ensure that they do not pose any health risks to the public. While some people may have concerns about the long-term effects of exposure to certain chemicals, it is generally accepted that the vast majority of food additives used in the United States are safe for consumption at the levels approved by the FDA. As consumers, it's important to be informed about the food we eat and the chemicals that may be present in it. By understanding the FDA's approval process and the safety standards for food additives, we can make informed choices about what we put in our bodies. It's also important to remember that the food we eat is not just about the chemicals in it, but also the nutritional value and how it can contribute to our overall health and well-being. By educating ourselves and making conscious decisions about our food choices, we can promote a healthy and balanced diet for ourselves and our families. Thank you for watching, and remember to always make informed choices about what you eat. If you found this video informative and useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us to continue creating valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.